Okay guys, Red Dragon urbex here. Also exploring today is complex urbex, top cat, urban explorer. Today we just come through these woods and just come about this abandoned car graveyard left in the woods. Check it out guys. That looks like a Nissan pickup. A few other bits and pieces laying around. Let's go and have a look what else we can find. Check that out. Looks super cool. Looks like it's been here a while, this one. God, check the cobwebs out. Okay, that's that one. Let's move through, see what else we can find. Oh. A pond. Oh, check that out, Trans Am. That looks what's left of a Land Rover. Oh, nothing left of that sucker. Yep. Looks like a Land Rover to me. JCB, old Mercedes in the covers there. Check that out, man, Trans Am. God, there's nothing left of that. As you can see, look at the decay and rot on that. Right, there's more up here, let's have a look. Check out that JCB. Probably haven't been used for a while. Oh, what's that over there? Got so many hidden things. That looks like an old army truck. Oh, that's mad. Phew. Don't know what else is trapped. Oh, there's more cars here, guys. Right, cut this short. We'll see when you get over to see any more yet. Now check this out. Jeep. Alright, Cherokee. Yeah. Also a Honda. Also this Honda here, looks like a Honda SRV I think. Let's have a look. Oh, it's amazing what people leave in the woods. CRV, there we go. It's a shame. Just left there. There's more vehicles down here. Right, catch you in a minute, see what else we can find. Oh, check this out. Oh here, old JCBs. Oh, watch what I step. Oh, look at that. All forklifts. Little forklift, little Honda CRV there, just a caravan. Oh, that's nuts. Right, okay. Right guys, look at this. Oh, there's more and more vehicles just in the woods. Oh, caravan. Check that, just I can't even get at them. Vauxhall Astra, And a Vauxhall Peugeot 206. Another 206. It's a 307 in the back there. Gosh, just oh look at that, check that out. There's some money there. Capri. Looks like the very first one. It's buried there, look. That's just amazing, old Capri. Right. Oh. Back, so. Got all this stuff just left. And all open, being left you. Isn't that crazy? Oh, I've got to watch where I'm stepping. Oh God. Check that out. That's an old one. God. Look at that. It's got tracks as well, that's old. God, I like these 206s. Whoever was collecting them. Mark 1 Focus with no back axle. That's another CRV Honda. Hold on. Oh, look at that, another CRV Honda. Just 206 2cc. Oh yeah, look at that. As far as the eyes can see, more cars in the back. Someone just likes collecting his 206s because all I see is 206s. Oh, there's a Jag. It's actually open. Oh yeah, look. This looks clean, this Jag. Yeah. BMW 7 Series. Just loads and loads of cars. Mercedes. And just 206s. He loved his 206s. All you see is 206. So anybody has lost their 206, this is where you'll probably find it because it's all here. Let's go over here so we can get over here. Yep. 206, 206, 206. Oh, Mark 1 Safira. There's a Mark 4 Escort convertible over there. That's all I can see at the moment. Right. Well, check this out, guys. Found an American 4x4. God, my mother-in-law had one of these out in the woods. I don't think you can see in it. It's trashed. Roof's gone. But yeah, I'll check this out. All American classic there, look. Or one of them anyway. Right. That is mad. God, look at that old Scirocco. What else we got here? God, old XR3i. God, Jags. I tell you, mate, this is full of cars. You wouldn't think they were here. Yeah, it's a Cherokee. Land Rovers, more Land Rovers. Scirocco. Just full of cars. There's another one over there. Looks like an old Porsche. Oh no, TR7. Cool. Engine dropouts. Squeeze through here now. Oh God, there's so much. These have been here for God. Hate to think. Long time. I was wondering what that was then. Scirocco, Porsche, old Mercedes. Now it's even older over there. Old Peugeots. Like another, no, that's an Audi Quattro. Oh, I can't get through there, but there's more cars over there as well. Oh, Granada by the look of it. God. It's just crazy how people can abandon stuff. Old Land Rover, my mate would have loved it down here because he loves his Land Rovers. Oh, another Capri. What's left of it? Right guys, found some more hidden away here. Some more classics. Past that Granada there, got a Mark III Fiesta. I wonder if this still opens. Nah, sealed. Oh, check that out. Look at that. Old Rover V8s. And also I could see in the distance there, which I can't get in there, that's a Mark II Escort. I'm sure it is there. It looks like it. Mark II Escort, what's left of it? So we can pan over to it. Yep, there's the nose cone. Wow. This is super cool. Oh, mad. Okay. We're going to go forward and see what else we can find amongst all this woodland. As you can see, cars are just everywhere. Okay. Oh, check this, guys. Back out, someone who lives these Land Rovers. More Land Rovers out down the field here. So we're just going through now. Oh, look at that Land Rover. It's been there a while. Moss all grown all over it. Just loads. I just watch I don't fall. Look at that, another Mark I Capri, that's worth some money. God, check that out. That's quite a modern car, that one. Suzuki Alto. More Clio in it. Jags, old tipper, Porsche. There's an Escort in Romsey, Mark 5 Escort. Cutting through these bushes now. Oh, there we are, another Mark 5 Escort. Just left the rot. Isn't that crazy? Oh, check down. What a shame.
They said there's a kind of golf.
Right, okay. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. That's it for this abandoned graveyard we found. And hope you enjoyed everything, and we'll see you on the next one. Goodbye for now.